Have you ever wondered why bridges and buildings are filled with triangles? It's not just to look cool. Today, we're diving into the world of engineering to find out which shapes are the strongest. We're going to build some mini bridges and put them to the test. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about shapes. We have squares, arches, and, of course, triangles. The strength of a shape depends on how it handles two forces: compression, which is a squeezing force, and tension, which is a pulling force. When you put weight on a bridge, some parts get squeezed and others get stretched. The best shape is the one that can handle both of these forces without breaking a sweat. We're going to build 3 simple bridges using just paper and tape. One will use square supports, another will use arches, and the last one will be a truss bridge made of triangles. I've got them all right here. The square bridge looks pretty standard. The arch bridge is elegant and classic, and the triangle truss bridge looks complex and strong. Now for the fun part. Let's see how much weight each one can hold. I'll use coins as our weights and add them one by one until the bridges collapse. Okay, let's start with the square bridge. I'm adding coins. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. The sides are already starting to bend and deform. It's wobbling and collapse. The square changed shape really easily under pressure. Not very strong at all. Next, the arch bridge. Arches are amazing at handling compression. As I add the coins, the weight gets transferred down the curve to the supports. It's holding up much better than the square. We're getting quite a few coins on here. It's definitely stronger, but you can see it starting to flatten out under the load. And it's down. The arch is good, but it has its limits. Finally, the moment of truth, the triangle truss bridge. When I place weight on a triangle, the forces are distributed evenly along its sides. Some sides are in tension and others are in compression, but the triangle shape itself doesn't want to change. It's incredibly rigid. Okay, let's load it up with coins. Look at that. It's holding way more than the others. The structure is barely bending. This is incredible. The triangles are working together to create an unbelievably strong frame. So the winner is clear. The triangle. This is why you see triangles everywhere in construction, from massive bridges and skyscrapers to the roof of your own house. They are the superheroes of shapes, providing incredible strength and stability. It's a simple principle of physics that allows us to build such amazing and long-lasting structures. I hope you enjoyed this little experiment. It just goes to show how much science is hidden in the world around us. What should we build and test next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science videos. See you next time.